Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to take a look at what's happening in the markets. I'm going to add a few things here to my chart. If you're not on our email list, please subscribe to our DayTradeToWin email list. We have some new webinars coming out. Attend free. We teach, and we're here to help you as a trader. We're going to look first at the DayTradeToWin news indicator. We offer this as a trial, the news indicator right over here. I'm also going to add the Sonic system. The news indicator is here on the top left. It tells me if there's any news events coming out for the day or the few days in advance. Prepares me. The Sonic trading system. I'm going to leave everything here defaulted. I'm going to go with 1 times the ATR for the target. And now we have some opportunities. Okay, so what are we looking at here? On a 1-minute chart, the Sonic system has already 1, 2, 3 trades to the short side. They all hit their profit targets. I'm going to make the target a little bit larger. I see the market's a little bit in a more volatile state. That means that we could take a larger profit target. I'm using the NASDAQ here. Oh, there's a signal right here. I'm going to make this 1.5, just a little bit larger profit target. Okay. The other thing I like to do is add the crosshair. All right, so that's where we are right now. All right, no stop yet. All right, looks good. All right, hit the target entry to the short side. That's the stop. That's a target. Hit the target. Happened a little bit faster than I would have liked. But so far we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 trades to the short side. Looks like the day is going to be, at least right now, start the short side. Let's take a look at the E-mini S&P, see if we can have another perspective on the market. So with the E-mini S&P, after the market opened, we've only had 1, 2 signals to the short side, and those are also winners on the E-mini S&P. So whether you trade the NASDAQ or the E-mini S&P, these are both good opportunities. I would only pick one market to start off with. I wouldn't try to do too much at the same time. I'm going to stick around here and wait for the very next trade. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.